In this SolidWorks tutorial, I am going to apply a load on this bracket, a concentrated force around this hole to see the stress concentrations, the max stress von Mises, and then we'll plot the same von Mises stress, but changing the load up to more of a pressure across a larger area to see the differences. So let's get started. We have our fixtures here around these holes. We are going to now apply the force first. So we'll select this face, this circular face here, except we're going, excuse me, cylindrical face. In a selected direction, we're going to use just this line here to, yep, select the arrows. We're going to go into English units, 200-pound force. Make sure it's in the right direction. No, it's not. Now it is. Boom. Let's mesh this thing. Create a mesh. Don't know why it's way over there. We'll just do right in the middle. All right, so we got our first medium node mesh going on. We're going to apply a local mesh control to this specific split surface here. I'll make this a little bit finer because that's where the reactions will be. Go ahead and mesh this again. Now it's going to run with the force. All right. This is the von Mises plot. You can see that stress concentration around the fixed bolted down area. You can actually see the local mesh with the mesh turned on, how there's finer elements that we apply the local mesh control to compared to the rest. Let's go ahead now. Compared to this, you can see compared to this split circle, for example. So let's go ahead and probe the max. I want this in KSI. And it's still showing me a Newton meter squared, whatever. 1.387 times 10 to the 8th. Still way under our yield strength. So keep that number in mind, 1.387. Now it's showing in KSI. So 2.01 times 10 to the 1. So 20.1 KSI. I guess that would be. Let's go ahead now and rerun. We're going to now apply a pressure to this side. this in PSI over this face here. And to match that 200-pound force, this would be force divided by that smaller area. It would be like 1660 PSI in that direction. Select OK. Let's suppress the force now. And now we can run this again. I've got an old ThinkPad, so my processor isn't the best. I'm just a normal guy, middle class. And you can see it's slightly lower now, our max stress von Mises. Because if you think about it, it's less concentrated when there's a pressure applied, force over a larger area rather than an intense force just over that cylindrical. So we got a slightly lower max, and that matches our thesis. Hope you enjoyed this video for force versus pressure in SolidWorks simulation on a bracket. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for the support.